Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact Google form and verifying your role. You must be owner or have edit permission. Once done, check form settings and make sure response collection or restricted sign-in isn't preventing edits. Next, open the share dialog and inspect current collaborators. Note who has viewer versus editor access. If you lack editor rights, request them from the owner now, because continuing without proper permissions will block any changes you attempt to make. Once you have or grant editor rights, go through the form sections to make the edits, reorder questions, change question types, and update validation rules. Make sure to review form settings, toggle collect email addresses, limit to one response, and edit after submit as needed. If collaborating with a team, enable editors for the document and consider version history to track changes. Finally, test by making a small change and saving. This confirms permissions and settings are functioning as intended before broader edits. To finish, proof every question and preview the form to verify layout and logic, then click Send or Update Sharing for collaborators. Make a backup copy via File, make a copy to preserve a pre-edit state. Once saved, communicate changes to collaborators and lock sensitive settings. If something goes wrong, like edits not saving, first confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. Then check you still have editor rights and disable interfering browser extensions. These steps resolve most permission or save failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.